Hello everybody and welcome back to my small potato field. I usually grow a little potato every year for my own use. I eat it at summertime straight from the field, and the rest of it I store it in cellar underground for wintertime use, because we are living in Finland, Arctic environment, and we have long winter, so we must grow food and storage it for winter time. One very important phase of growing potato is so-called mulching. I don't know if I can say it right in English. I think it's called mulching. Because this potato I have planted here 3 different varieties of potato, and maybe for that it has been growing uneven, not the same time. Some of them are bigger and some of them are smaller, so I was thinking that maybe we will make this mulching by hand, traditional way. Nowadays it's usually done by machine, but in this case, because some potatoes are much bigger than others, I was thinking that maybe we will try to make it by hand. I did take some different tools which we can try which is best, and first is like this. This is traditionally used in Finland for clearing what's that? Okay, first one is this. I don't know if this has English name, but it looks like this. And the second tool is like this. And third like this. So let's try which is best. My idea was that I will try to make soil softer with this one first, and then we can use some of those to pull soil next to potatoes. You will see. I'm very bad in explaining it in English, but you will see when I start to do it. So my idea is that I will soften the soil like this first. Between the benches. Then we will check if we can pull it next to potatoes. Let's continue a little later. Okay, now we have made the soil a little more soft. Let's try to move the soil next to potatoes. I try it first with this kind of tool. This operation has 2 reasons. First, to avoid these weeds to grow, and second, to make sure that the potatoes won't get sun, because potato itself must not be exposed to sun, because otherwise it would come green and then it's poisonous and can't be eaten. So that's the reason why we are doing this. Well, must say that this doesn't seem like very good tool for this use. So I will test another one. Okay, I did take next tool to use. Weather is very sweaty. It's somehow makes me sweating, so I did take shirt off. Yes, it's easy to see that this tool is much better. Much better. Work is all, of course, very slow when it's done by hand, but we are lucky that the speed is not big, so we can do it, no problem. I will continue this and let's get back on this subject when I have done it all. So let's see how it looks like after that. Hello again. I will continue the work. It's going just okay. Of course, it's very slow when it's done by hand, but it's not a problem because our potato feed is very small. So this is how it's done basically. Very simple, very easy, but takes some manual work. But that's not a problem. We have time to do it now, and we can do it by hand also. Okay, thank you for company, and let's continue our work here in Finnish small farm in next video. Bye bye, thank you.